If you want to attract unlimited money, financial freedom, and abundance into your life, listen to these affirmations daily with faith, gratitude, and belief. I have dreamt of being this wealthy for a long time. I let go of all thoughts and beliefs that do not serve my prosperity. I am determined to cultivate a wealth mindset. Prosperity fills every cell of my body. I know everything I need to know to be wealthy now. I allow money to flow to me in large quantities. I am open to receiving riches to live a full and happy life. I always have more than enough money. Every rupee I pay out with gratitude returns to me multiplied. I am rich beyond my wildest dreams. I am a walking, breathing money magnet. With every abundant thought, I attract even more money to me. Every day, I am open to receiving money from surprising sources. I allow more money to flow into my life than ever before. Prosperity and abundance of every kind are attracted to me. I am incredibly grateful for all the money I have had in my life. Every wealthy thought I think is changing my finances and my life. Money is unlimited, like the air and sky, it's everywhere. I don't need to be wealthy to be happy, but I need to be happy in order to become wealthy. I am attracting all the money I need to live my fullest life. Money is constantly appearing in my life in unexpected ways. I am a money magnet. Of course, I can be financially free. Money comes to me from many sources. I am making a conscious decision to have financial freedom now. Money never stops flowing to me. I effortlessly attract wealth. I am generous and the universe repays me 100-fold. I always have enough money for everything I want to do in this life. The more I share my wealth, the more my wealth grows. I am a channel for life's flow of abundance. Money belongs to me. I am open to receiving even more abundance in every area of my life. I make money in my sleep. I am so grateful to be able to share my wealth with others. It is my birthright to be rich, successful, and happy. It feels so good to be financially free. I love my abundant life. Infinite intelligence fills me with wisdom, success, and prosperity at all times. Only the best comes to me no matter where I am or what I'm doing. I let go of all fear of not having enough. Far more money is flowing in this year than any other year. Infinite intelligence guides me every day to happiness, prosperity, and riches. Money flows to me in copious amounts. Everything is working out for my highest good. I always wondered what it would feel like to be wealthy, and now I know. I love being surprised by all the ways the universe brings money to me. My whole life is abundant. I am a magnet for riches and wealth. I can attract more money with every thought I think. I am wealthy, wealthy, wealthy. I never have to worry about money again. I only think thoughts of wealth. I choose it for myself. I open myself to the possibility that good fortune is mine. The universe is constantly providing all of the abundance I require for a full, happy life. While I mentally dwell on them, prosperity, affluence, wealth, and riches are naturally available to me. I have made a decision, yes, 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 to more money. I allow money in all its forms to continually stream into my life. The universe has received my order for more money and will make it appear to me. Enormous wealth is available to me at all times. I open myself to receive it. Can I achieve financial freedom? Yes, I can. I receive unexpected checks in the mail. With the gesture of the palms of my hands facing upward, I welcome money to come into my life. Money is flowing to me. I give myself permission to have all the things that I desire. This is exactly the right time for me to be wealthy. I have what it takes to succeed. I welcome prosperity, health, and happiness into my life. Money does grow on trees. I release all resistance around money so it flows freely into my life. All is well. I allow happiness and joy to be my predominant state. I am open and receptive to all the good the universe has to offer. More money is flowing back to me. Every month, the money in my bank account is climbing dramatically. I am grateful for every amount of money that I receive. My mind is a money magnet. I am already wealthy and I am now tuning my mind to receive it. Money naturally flows to me just like the air I breathe. Visualizing my wealthy life makes me so excited. Money comes to me from unexpected directions. I have the power to create the wealth I dream of. My mind is constantly giving me wealthy thoughts. I am attracting my dream rich life. My bank balance is increasing every day. I attract all the money I need for everything I want. I'm so grateful to finally be financially free. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know that I'm worthy of wealth right now, just as I am. I enjoy the freedom that money brings to my daily life. I am a wealth creator. I am blessed with abundance every day of my life. I enjoy financial freedom. I am grateful to receive all the money I need. My bank account is full, my heart is full, and my life is full. I know how to tap the universal flow of unlimited abundance. Wealth is a blessing that enriches my daily life. Financial freedom is not only possible, it is here now. I smile with gratitude when I think of the abundance in my life. Money flows to me so easily that I can afford anything I want. Thank you for the wealth I once longed for. The universe wants to give me everything that I desire. I let go of any and all beliefs that are not in line with my financial freedom. A full and rich life is the birthright of every human being. I give thanks that I am rich, healthy, and happy, and that my life is governed by divine order. Money, money, money manifest here and now in rich abundance. Every day is prosperous for me. Lavish abundance fills my life every day and in every way. I deserve all of the riches I desire. The universe wants everyone to live in abundance. I am financially independent today and forever. I command that every financial door and channel open for me and that they flow with endless abundance. I always receive all the money I need to live a full life. I turn away from any doubt and steadfastly maintain my financial freedom. Now is the perfect time for money to flow to me in abundance. I am thrilled by all the ways that money comes to me. The more money I share and give, the more money flows into my bank account. Large sums of money come to me in the most effortless ways. I am one with the infinite riches of my true being. I trust divine power to surround me with abundance. I love sharing my wealth with my family and friends. The universe is always taking care of me. I can see money flowing to me. I am wealthy, healthy, and so happy. The more I give, the more I receive. I love my happy, abundant life. My finances are growing every day. I have an unshakable wealth mindset. There is unlimited abundance available for everyone. I deserve to have my dreams come true. The richer and happier I am, the more I have to share with others. I deserve to be rich. Riches are my birthright. I love getting checks in the mail. The universe has unlimited ways to bring money to me. I am on the frequency of riches. Financial freedom is easy. I am open to receiving all of the riches I desire. I am a match to wealth. I am receiving abundance in many different forms. Thank you for the lavish abundance that continues to surround and permeate me. Money is magnetized to me, and I am magnetized to money. I have multiple income streams. I love my rich life. Wealth is constantly flowing into my life. My intention is financial freedom for myself and everyone. Money comes to me effortlessly. I constantly keep my mind trained on wealth. The universe is taking care of all of my needs. I am so grateful for the wealth that I am attracting every day. My rich thoughts are changing my financial circumstances in this moment. I love thinking about having plenty of money. I am so grateful for the wealth I am blessed with. I inspire everyone around me to create wealth through the power of their mind. I am deserving of wealth. The universe wants me to be abundant. I am focused on wealth, so wealth is mine. The feeling of being financially free is so wonderful. My thoughts are constantly focused on wealth, prosperity, and riches. The decision to have financial freedom is as simple as deciding to buy milk at the store. I am rich. I am rich. I am rich. Subscribe for more such affirmations. Many more powerful abundance, wealth, and success affirmations are coming soon.